Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix no camera connected to your OneNote app error on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you try to record a video on your OneNote app and such type of error message appear, then here are the fixes. First we will see, open OneNote app in your system first. Here from the top menu bar, go to Insert. Here go to recording section, click on a small arrow and choose record video, and such type of error message appear, no camera available. Make sure the camera is properly installed and connected. So if you are facing such type of error message in OneNote app camera error, then here are the fixes. Minimize the window OneNote app. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to privacy and security. Thereafter go to right side and here under Windows permissions, scroll down, you will find under app permissions camera. Click on camera. Here camera access, make sure that camera access is enabled, and also apps using your camera, scroll down and make sure that OneNote app is duly enabled. Let desktop apps access your camera. So turn the toggle button on. Thereafter again go to same OneNote page. Click on Insert, Recording, Record Video. And now you can see your camera error will definitely be resolved. Your recording will start. So if you are facing such type of no camera detected or no camera installed or connected to OneNote app, simply go to Windows settings and under privacy and security, enable app. Under app permissions, camera should be enabled under desktop apps. That's all.